Deep in the universe, where stars are born and die in spectacular fashion, a new phenomenon has caught the attention of astronomers: kilonovas. These colossal explosions light up the cosmos and challenge our understanding of stellar evolution. But what exactly are they, and why are they so significant? Kilonovas occur when two neutron stars, some of the densest objects in the universe, merge together. These stellar remnants, born from massive stars that have exploded in supernovae, are incredibly compact, with a single sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material weighing as much as a mountain. When these neutron stars spiral toward each other and eventually collide, they unleash an extraordinary amount of energy. This process produces a kilonova, an explosion that can shine brighter than a supernova for a brief moment, creating heavy elements like gold and platinum in the process. The first confirmed observation of a kilonova occurred in 2017 during the merger of two neutron stars in a galaxy 130 million light-years away. Dubbed GW 170817, this groundbreaking event marked a pivotal moment in astrophysics, as it was also the first time gravitational waves and electromagnetic signals from the same cosmic event were detected. The observation of GW 170817 not only confirmed the existence of kilonovas, but also provided vital clues about the origins of heavy elements in our universe. It was, a cosmic factory, producing materials that would eventually find their way into planets, stars, and even our own bodies. Elements like gold, silver, and uranium are created in these explosive events, highlighting the interconnectedness of the universe. Every time you wear a piece of jewelry, you might be wearing a fragment of a cosmic explosion. As we advance our technology, astronomers are poised to discover even more kilonova events. Future facilities like the Vera C Rubin Observatory and the James Webb Space Telescope will enhance our ability to monitor the night sky, potentially leading to a new era of understanding about these enigmatic explosions.
We're just scratching the surface of what we can learn from kilonovas. Each event holds a wealth of information that could reshape our understanding of the universe.
Kilonovas remind us that even in the vast emptiness of space, incredible events are happening all around us, shaping the universe in profound ways. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other wonders await discovery? Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible insights into the universe.